Good morning everyone. Now I am showing maths activity shapes with my students.
My name is Srikruti. I am studying in first class. Today we learn about shapes. First shape is circle. First circle. Circle in round shape is rectangle. Fourth shape is triangle. My name is Agrika. I am studying in first class. Today we learn shapes. First one is circle. Second one is square. Third one is rectangle. Fourth one is triangle. My name is Dhruva. I am studying first class. Today we learn shapes. First one is circle. Second one is sphere. Third one is rectangle. Fourth one is triangle. My name is Zainab. I am studying first class. Today we learn shapes. First one is circle. Second one